Hello, my Pisces. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are most welcome as well. If you feel connected to me, then please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, it means the world to me. Okay, so today we are going to do your love reading update for the month of January. Whenever you see it, I'm not going to assign any date to it. Whenever it comes your way, you may watch this video. Okay, so the messages are for you because you are here already. These messages are definitely for you. Okay, so without any delay, we are going to get started with your reading, my dear friends. So let me ask my spirit guides to bless my intuition and to bless my tarot cards in order to channel the messages related to your person first. Okay, so we are going to tap onto your person's energy first, Pisces. So spirit guides and angels, could you please tell us what we need to know about my Pisces friends love interest right now? How is their energy right now? How are they feeling and thinking towards my Pisces friends, please? Thank you very much. Okay, so this is your person's energy, Pisces. Okay, the Magician. Basically how they are feeling towards you, either they are looking at you like a manifester, whether you either it could either mean that they feel like you are very powerful, you can achieve anything in life, you basically are the manifester in their eyes, or they themselves are thinking of manifesting you in their life. Okay, or manifesting this connection, this relationship in their life. It also additionally means that you could be dealing with a Gemini, the Hermit. Okay, so they definitely want to manifest you, but they are feeling like you are a little bit, disinterested, or they themselves are acting like this Hermit. It seems like, Pisces, you are focusing on some sort of, I don't know why I heard the word business. For many of you, you could be doing some sort of business which is really keeping you engaged in some way, because the Hermit is somebody who carries the torch and heads towards a direction. Okay, so probably you have certain ambition, certain goal in life right now. Maybe some of you are pursuing some sort of degrees, you are still studying, you are in the school, and you are very ambitious about certain things. You have a dream. I heard air hostess. I just heard that, and I literally saw a very well dressed, lady. Okay, so maybe some of you are pursuing that, but anyways, what Hermit card is telling me is that you are right now on certain path of prosperity, of success. Okay, so whatever you are doing, you are very much invested on it, and your person is looking at you like somebody who doesn't have time for them, who is disinterested a little bit. They are basically a bit confused, is the sense that I'm getting. Okay, they don't exactly know what all is going on your side, because you are looking like a hermit to this person. Or this might also mean that this person himself or herself is acting like the Hermit. Page of Cups. Okay, so this person, because they are a little bit confused regarding your emotions and your feelings towards them, they are not feeling 100% confident about coming and expressing their feelings to you. For some of you, this person could have a child from previous marriage. That is what I'm seeing in the cards. If that does not resonate, leave it for somebody else. Okay, but definitely this person wants to send some sort of message to you. It could be an intuitive, telepathic message, or it could literally mean the social media, text messages. But this person has been thinking about expressing to some extent, just coming in front of you, just trying to let you know what all is going on in their mind. Okay, just trying to let you know that they are interested. I think this person very much would love to do that, to let you know that they are invested on you. So they might make some sort of subtle, move which would let you know that this person is also thinking about you right now. Okay, what's more, right now they are holding back because they are intimidated, they are scared. Hermits, they are very wise people. They are such individuals who know when to take that space for themselves. Okay, hermit is basically someone who's taking space for themselves from the world. They're like, I'm on my own for a while, please don't disturb me. Your person looks at you in that energy. Ooh, okay. The message which I got just now is that for some of you who are watching this, you could be a single parent, either a single mother or a single father. Or if you don't have a child, then also you could be a divorcee. Alright, you might have recently separated from someone, or if that is also not the case, then you could have very recently, had a very painful and traumatic breakup with someone. Okay, and this individual knows that you are not yet ready to pursue yet another relationship. So basically your person is watching you. Your person is what you are, bruised, you are battered, you are hurt, and it's all on your face, Pisces. It's all on your face. Water signs are very, very highly emotional, and your emotions are all reflected on your face, and this person has been reading upon that, expression. Your person has been reading your energy quite well, and your person knows that you need that space. Your heart is too tender to take this weight of yet another connection so fast. Okay, they understand this on your part. That is why they are holding back. Devil, but your person is obsessively thinking about you. They are obsessive over you. Oh my god, you could be dealing with a Capricorn. You could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Capricorn, Gemini coming up very strongly. Okay, so the devil, they are obsessed about you. They are thinking about you day and night. In some rare cases, it might mean that your person is building upon some sort of codependent behavior. Drinking is what I'm getting. If that is not the case, then this person is simply obsessively thinking about you day and night. Okay, now I want to tap onto your energy, Pisces. What is the energy of my Pisces friends? What is in their mind and heart space, please? Thank you very much. This is your energy in this love connection. Okay, you want to get married. You want nothing else. You either want a husband or a wife. If you are a lady, you want a husband. If you are a gentleman, you want a wife. Or it could be same sex relationship as well. Being a lady, you might want, a wife. It doesn't matter. And likewise for gentlemen, love is love. Love is pure, right? And what you want with this person is a beautiful, beautiful, long-term, stable marital relationship. You don't want anything less than that, Pisces. You don't want a boyfriend, you want a husband. You want to be able to be dependent on this connection. You want such relationship in your life which empowers you, and you feel like that empowerment you can achieve through marriage and through none other kind of connection. You just want to be with this person. You want things to happen promptly, if possible. And you don't want to be in, flighty relationship with this person for a very long time. What is in your heart's core right now, Pisces, is that I just want to get married. I just want to settle down. I don't want anything less. I'm tired. I'm done. I'm done with every other kind of connection. If it's a marriage, I'm open to it. If it's not, then I'm not. What's more? Wheel of Fortune. You're waiting for that time when things will start moving on your favor, turning on your favor. You're waiting for that time. You are hoping for good fortune on your part. Justice. With this Justice card, you could be someone who's trying to get separated from your ex-partner. This might mean a marriage that has come to a verge of, separation, legal separation. Justice card is here. Something to do with legality here. If it's not you, then it's your person. Probably you two can come into union only after your person gets separated from the toxic marital relationship which they are in. But what you ultimately want from this person is, this person who is in your mind right now, you want to get married to them, and there is some sort of obstacle, and you are asking God, you are asking universe to remove that obstacle and to restore justice so that you can also be happy a little bit. Seriously, I'm feeling like, Pisces, some of you could be a single mother or a single father over here, but single mother is what I'm getting mostly, and you have been really very sad. You have been depressed for quite a while. The marriage didn't go well for you, and you recently have already legally separated, or you have just physically separated and legal separation is still remaining. But no matter what, you are when you are in dialogue with God, you are saying things like, I've been through so much. When is it that I'm going to have that moment of peace in my life? Am I never going to get that? Is your question. Okay, I want to ask for the outcome and advice in that case. And death came, flying out. So you could be dealing with Scorpio. Okay, but what this card is telling in the outcome and advice is that, you have to go through transformation. I feel like, Pisces, many of you, I don't know why, but I'm getting this vibe that you are not very happy right now. You are a bit sad right now. Don't be in that sad energy. Don't be in that sorrow. Don't overthink things. Allow this transformation to happen. Let yourself evolve as somebody anew. You have to let go of all the past baggage. It seems like you are holding on a little bit because the Justice card came out. Okay, so what spirit guides are telling you is that you require transformation, 100% transformation, in order to be able to pursue this new relationship. In order to pursue something new, you have to let go of everything related to past. Okay, so that past baggage has to be left in the past, and you are required to do that. And look at this, once you do that, 10 of Pentacles, which means abundance, will be on your side. Your heart's desire will be fulfilled. You'll be very happy. You'll have everything then, or you'll be in this feeling that, oh, I have everything that I always wanted. Okay, so if you want to be in that energy, then definitely you'll have to transform as an individual. All right, outcome and advice. Right now, you are a little bit sad because you feel like those 10 of Pentacles are not here yet. You are not being able to see. Basically, death card is there in between this 7 of Pentacles and 10. So what I'm feeling is that, guides are telling that right now, although you have actually 10 of Pentacles, which means that although you are self-sufficient and you are like 10 of Pentacles, you are looking at yourself like 7 of Pentacles. It seems like for some of you, you'll have to come out of this lack mentality. Some of you might be thinking that I'm not attractive, I'm not doing very well. I'm talking in reference to this card, okay? Card of dissatisfaction, card of doubt, card of confusion. Why is it that I'm putting in so much of effort and yet things are not coming into fruition? You are thinking that I've been investing so much in this connection, I've been hoping, I've been trying to be my best, but why is it that I'm not being able to manifest that soulmate of mine? But spirit guides are like, this person is already yours. That financial abundance which you have been looking for is already within you. That abundance is already within you. It's only that you are not being able to see it right now. And in order to see that, what do you need to do? You need to transform. You need to change your way of thought pattern. Okay. Feel abundant, then you will be abundant. Basically, attitude of gratitude. Okay, so what else? I'll take out 3 cards. Wow, wow, look at this. Ace of Pentacles. Something very good is headed your way. You are required to be intuitive, you are required to be confident. Yes, lack mentality to some extent is at play, Pisces. Okay, but you are such a beautiful person, you are so self-abundant, you have so much of confidence, you have all the skills required in order to be, you know, the best choice for this dream person who's in your mind right now. It's only that you are not nurturing that right now, so that is why you are not being able to see that. Okay, but you are so abundant, you are like the high priestess, you are very intelligent, you are highly intuitive. Make use of your intuition, be confident based upon your intuition, trust your intuition. These two combination of cards are yelling at you, are shouting and telling you that trust your intuition, be confident about your intuition, because you are the high priestess, Pisces. And don't worry, that new beginning in love as well as that new beginning in the path of prosperity is going to happen very soon. Financial abundance is going to come, emotional abundance is going to come. So don't worry, come out of that lack mentality. See how beautiful you are. Just go and, you know, look at the mirror once and see how beautiful those curves are. Curves on your body, curves on your face, you know. Just everything about you is absolutely fantastic, Pisces. Look at yourselves with beautiful eyes, alright? And you'll feel abundant. But no matter what you think, what you feel, that, you know, happiness is along your way. This could mean a tangible gift from your person, but this could also mean the token of love from your person. Or additionally, this could also mean the financial abundance that universe is going to bless you with in the near future. So all good things are headed your way, Pisces. That is the message for you. I hope it helps and resonates. If it does, and if you feel connected to me mostly, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. That means the world to me. I'd love to come up with another reading for you. Until the time I see you again, I love you all so much. Bye everyone.